Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Amazon brand Samir's beige front knotted long sleeve. So that's what it looks like. The little front knot is supposed to give it like a little bit of shape, but you can also pull it off the sleeve to give it, a little bit more, a different look. The sleeves look like that, and then the bottom is just normal, and front and back, same color. So let me go ahead and try it on to see what it looks like. So something I didn't notice earlier was that the seam actually runs all the way through in the middle, all the way down to here. So the neckline looks like this. If you wanted, you could, make it a little bit off the shoulder, or of course you can just keep it on there. Falls nicely on the shoulder, back. For more information about this V-neck, check the links below, and for more product reviews, keep watching. See you in the next video. Bye!